Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Ford Edge door code. Start by locating the keypad on the driver door and gathering your factory code and key fob. With the engine off, press 1, 2, 3, 4 to wake the system, then follow the keypad prompts to enter the current code and program a new 5-digit code. Confirm the new code by locking and unlocking the doors. Locate the factory code inside your glove box or owner manual or on a card provided by the dealer. If the sticker is missing, search through original purchase paperwork or contact the dealer with your VIN. The factory code is required to program a new personal code. Keep the code secure and note it down in a safe place after programming so you can regain access if you forget the new code. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. It's a small change that makes your ride enjoyably fresh after working on your Ford Edge. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by entering the factory code on the driver door keypad, then press 1, 2, 3, 4 to enter programming mode. When prompted, enter your desired 5-digit personal code and wait for a confirmation beep or lock flash. If successful, test the new code several times, including remote lock and unlock, to ensure it works across all door functions. If programming fails, repeat the steps slowly and verify the factory code one more time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.